Top stories. Masked man leaves explosive package inside residence at Moray. Maroi Nakupi cultivator easily earns nearly rupees 1 lakh every month. And Moppet Dam body threatens Band. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me Mandira, and now the news in detail. In Moray, an unidentified masked man this morning entered a house located near Moray Forest track post and left a package believed to be explosives. Speaking to our correspondent, the family of Naineng Manlun, aged 65, of late Paukutang Manlun, said that around 8 a.m. a person wearing a cap and mask unexpectedly came and left a package there without saying anything. Growing suspicious prompted the family members to inform Moray police. Afterwards, Additional Superintendent K.H. Robindro, Commando Moray DSP T.H. Thomas, Officer in Charge Ledkhauhau Vaipai arrived at the scene. On investigation, the package was found to be explosive materials used only by the government of India, raising the question how and why such explosives used by the government were in possession of the individual. Later, army sniffer dogs were engaged in detection of explosives in the package. A team of bomb experts from Tecnopol was called in. Meanwhile, owner of the house, Naineng Manlun, said that she has been supporting her family by running a small eating outlet since her husband died 6 years back. She urged the responsible person to clarify the incident.
Azukta pung nipanda akhoi jumda nupa mala e adigi port khangdaba port ama thanamraga chetkra akhoi di kaisu toba sunate thabak khotna ba sunate karbar chatba sunate asumai na tobi basi akhoi yam nuaite akhoi mapa su leitabani mapa leitabasi akhoi anganga hingangai gi hotel kai kumba toraga leibani adudiki fataba masak khangdaba nupa amala ay sumaina tobi basi akhoi yam nuaite sigumbasi nakhoi na phajana khanbiraga si thbo haibani adu imung su nuai ba mi sunate paisa pai ba mi sunate sumaina tobi basi ai bakhan nuai.
Our correspondent meanwhile reported that the explosive package was retrieved around 5 p.m. and later sent to Imphal for further investigation. A Maroi Nakupi cultivator can earn rupees 90,000 per month in Manipur. When the sale proceeds of Maroi Nakupi are not good, a farmer still can earn rupees 25,000 in a month. Here's a report.
Chinese chives, or locally known as Maroi Nakupi, is one of the most important herbs commonly used as spice for preparations of Manipuri traditional dishes in every kitchen of the state since time immemorial. Maroi Nakupi is a basic ingredient in traditional feasts, lunch-on and many local restaurants. According to experts, these herbs are less in calories and contain lots of nutrients like vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that provide many benefits to human body. Considering its numerous health benefits, the farmers in the state are cultivating Maroi Nakupi in large scale to meet the increasing demands of the herbs. Alongside, they are earning huge income through cultivations of this wonder plant. Moirang Kampu Sajeb Laikai in Imphal East is one of the leading producers of Maroi Nakupi in Manipur, where at least 4 to 6 individuals are employed in every field. The farmers could easily earn up to rupees 250 per day by toiling in the field from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. daily. It is learned that at present, cultivations of Maroi Nakupi is more profitable than growing rice. As such, most of the landlords support the farmers on large-scale cultivations of the herb.
Lepaga lay bhai tare nakupi gi de hoi gi nungti gi magi income sipum daily lak chare aduga side ta mai churi de kai ga tha pajing to posing do aduna extra income adum lai animok tu gi punna adum lak de access amana khre helai ta di lem na lay ri ba low sing je kamai toroga kari tharaga kana ba lak ne ha ba matam gi lay na aduga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯐꯧꯕꯣꯠ 10 ꯉꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯄꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏ ꯎꯁꯜꯂꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯂꯤ ꯏꯟꯀꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯧꯕꯣꯠ 10 ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯇꯔꯄꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 10ꯅꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯟꯀꯝꯗꯣ 10ꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯔꯤꯚꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯊꯥꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Sometimes the farmers also cultivate mustard, cabbage, onion, garlic, umurok, also known as king chili, eggplants and marigold along with maroi nakupi so as to earn additional income. When the sale proceeds of maroi nakupi are not good, a farmer still can earn rupees 25,000 in a month. Otherwise, in a good days, one can easily earn up to rupees 90,000 per month. The local club had recently organized a maroi nakupi festival in motivating the farmers, and during the festival, many top-ranking officials of the state government made contributions in promoting maroi nakupi cultivations in the locality.
Maroi khakta na te sitar se matai sida maroi ja chairiba koi yenthin phi chaiba adigi maroi ji phana honam da sing chairiba sigi kano sing khina matai da thariba poching ju loi kana ba phangba hangam matam da hangam puthokchei kobi matam na kobi puthoi hayeng indamda matam da tang ga kobi ra ga di amu hena nuai na ji season kitang off oi aduna kitang pen wali ji ayam kang na akhon ju khunje.
Organic manures from poultry farm and rice husk produced from nearby local rice mills are the main fertilizers used in cultivating maroi nakupi. Maroi nakupi farming require large quantity of water, and so Iril River is the main source of water for the area. It will be wrong to say that if utilized properly, even a grass could be turned into something profitable, and this has been proved by several maroi nakupi farms that we see today.
Moppet Dam affected village headman, chief and elder organization has decided not to attend a meeting called by Water Resources Secretary Jacinta Lazarus to discuss relief and rehabilitation measures for people affected by Moppet Dam on May 14. This was announced by organization chairman A.S. Solomon during a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. He said until and unless the government gives the pending compensation money for rehabilitation and settlement, livelihood package and standing properties, a bandh will be imposed on Imphal Ukrul Road and Moppet Dam Road on May 16, besides indefinitely banning all construction workers in the dam.
Ekoina Sigumba Labaktiva Tokse, Equinichu Pendaba, Nokobusu Pundokseri, Ekogi Memorandum of Agreement, CM Yauna Todripoba, Ekoi agitation, some Tatani have say, Equina Mamang the Pigiba, ultimatum do Adumak Dum Handopalated, which Tatani have say, Media Kutang, the Ekoi Lotuxeri.
Lack of gynecology doctors at hospitals in border town Moreh has compelled many pregnant women to deliver babies at hospitals in neighboring Myanmar, costing them around rupees 15,000 to 30,000 per delivery. We have a report on this.
Lack of gynecology doctors at hospitals in border town Moreh compel many pregnant women to deliver babies at hospitals in neighboring Myanmar, costing them around rupees 15,000 to 30,000 per delivery. Under the circumstances, women from poor economic background families have been forced to bear the brunt. In its efforts to force closer ties with Myanmar, the center has been taking off infrastructure development and connectivity projects in the neighboring country. At the same time, several patients from Myanmar which has been suffering from chronic shortage of healthcare facilities also come down to Imphal to get medical treatment at different state-run and private hospitals. However, on 9 of every month, pregnant women in Moreh town are provided with free monthly ultrasound check of medicine, nutritional foods like eggs, bananas, juice, etc. under the Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan scheme. Normally, hospitals in Tammu charges around rupees 25,000 to 40,000 in caesarean delivery, whereas rupees 50,000 for normal delivery. Many of the local women said that They don't want to risk their lives by traveling too far away Imphal, which take so much time. Meanwhile, no concerned minister or officials have bothered about the problem. Kilay Ling, an ASA worker from Moreh Ward number 9, told Tom TV that earlier, when there were gynecologists in the Moreh hospital, everything was going smoothly. But now, the expectant mothers are facing hardships due to the lack of a gynecologist. She urged the state government to send a gynecologist for the hospital to get the problem sorted out.
Government nasu phajana ningsin pitreti ekhoi more manungsi azambana awaba thingna khare adugi matangda asa eina si more manungda kari kumba ina khundeba mi ngakta oibanina nungsi piraga government nasu phajana hospital da facility kari kumba hoidogba leiraga awaba Thengden nangai gi hutna piro haina asa Ward number 9 asa kim theng eina hailare
Hujik miron ba heba taba pregnancy nupi angang pokdoba nataraga angang pokpa habisi Moreh hospital da convenient leite yamna khudong chaba leite aduna masi maram sida tamu hospital gumba natar Imphal gumba chatke heba kanda summa tamu hospital da paisa mayam tingi adu akhoi gi Moreh praja se karigumba laira bangak tangne akhoi na tamuda kari haisra paisa mayam pubang amde aduna waba yamna thingkhre aduga Imphal romda chathage haina oiraga su lambi lamhang sida emergency leitabani adu oibagi yaragadi masigi hospital gi concern authority singna khara luna yengsinbiraga gaini special gaini se Moreh da athubada thambio hebese ekhoina prajagi mai keida ekhoina thamninge.
Apart from this drawback of Moreh hospital, the operation theatre remains non-functional and there is no blood bank in the hospital. Besides this, the hardships of the people have multiplied manifold due to shortage of technical staff required for operating the X-ray machine there. More importantly, the ultrasound machine in the hospital, which was inaugurated by Health Minister Jayanto Kumar, is not equipped with the latest software that tells the different stages of pregnancy. This leads Moreh residents to go to Tamu for medical treatment.
The semi-final of the first ever TV reality show presented by Tom TV in Manipur, the Mega Talent Show, was held today at Lamjingbatomtv Lane in Palace Compound, Imphal. Altogether, 41 semi-finalists took part and showcased their talents to find a place at the top 10 finalists. The final round will be held on 26th of this month. 4 renowned jury members, filmmaker Romi Mete, actor and singer Hamum Sadananda, folk singers Vedapati and Ruben Mashangwa will decide the winner. First runners-up and second runners-up. The cash prize are Rs 1 lakh for winner, Rs 80,000 and 50,000 for first runners-up and second runners-up respectively. Besides, 7 consolation prizes and many more will also be given to the finalists. It is worth mentioning that Mega Talent is sponsored by Tom TV and organized by Royal Events. The show aims to provide a platform for young people to explore their hidden extraordinary talents. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state, Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rupees 250 subscription fee per month. 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly rupees 250, half yearly rupees 1500, quarterly rupees 750, yearly rupees 3000. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbatomtv@gmail.com.
Artist khara lawzagadori. Manipuri tele serial Nirupamagi damakta artist khara lawzagadori. Thawai yauba nupa amasung nupi artist singna masagi photograph amasung biodata ga loinana Tom TV da pisinbiu. Akupa marol gi damak contact tobirau 8837265974 natraga 9402991938.
Nirupama, Nirupama, Nirupama.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai, Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. Notice ki oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course Manipur da hangle. Mapalam da chatrabasu hayingma college cha lakpituna admission to bihoro akakna basitni.
Welcome back. The Rongmei Students Organization Manipur has alleged that recruitment of 210 posts of both teaching and non-teaching staffs of Eklavya Model Residential School of 3 districts of Tamenglong, Chandal and Senapati was done in favor of a few individuals, violating the Election Model Code of Conduct. The organization demanded that the district administration and the authority concerned cancel the recruitment and conduct a fresh one within 1 month. The organization will launch intense agitation with the help of all like-minded students, bodies in case the demand is not met. RSOM warned during a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. RSOM General Secretary Jenthui Panmai said that the recent recruitment of 210 posts for EMRS at 3 districts violated the recruitment guidelines. Not a single advertisement was published or broadcast in any media for the recruitment, he added. Further, he said that such act of misconduct is very unfortunate, especially for the education sector. Jenthui also appealed to the concerned authority to investigate the recruitment process.
Authorities should be booked legally, in the legal terms, in the law, for holding such a recruitment, violating all the norms and procedure, and then by deceiving the peoples of the Manipur, particularly the Tamenglong people. So within 30 days, we give for the government so that all the necessary actions should be taken at earliest. And we want that fresh recruitment should be conducted within that 30 days. If not, failing which, we will take up democratic agitations in collaboration with the like-minded civil and student body of the state.
102nd birth anniversary of Pandit Ningthau Kongjam Khel Chandra was celebrated at Manipur Hindi Parishad Hall organized by Cultural Forum Manipur. President of Cultural Forum Manipur, Professor Hirem Bihari Singh, and Associate Professor at Department of Manipur, Manipur University, Dr. T. Tampha, attended the event. On the occasion, Dr. T. Tampha said that Pandit Ningthau Kongjam Khel Chandra is comparable to a library and a dictionary.
Over library library haibasi tongan ba direct mayam amagi kakhatna ina sector wise thamba aina pami ba hiram tu mari leina badugi ka du da sangolakanda aina panjari ba direction tu lophoga pa ba phamba ngamba.
An elderly couple who was accused of practicing witchcraft and horribly assaulted by a mob in Dagaon village near Assam-Meghalaya border was rescued by a team of Boko police. The couple, Luwind Sangma, 80, and Pritila Sangma, 65, were allegedly attacked and tortured by the villagers on Saturday night. After the police got to know of the shameful incident on Sunday morning, they immediately rushed to the aid of the couple and rescued them. The couple was first admitted to a primary health center in Boko for treatment but later had to be rushed to Guwahati Medical College and Hospital for further treatment. They are currently undergoing treatment at a GMCH. Officer in charge of Boko Police Station, Jogen Burman, said no one has been arrested till now in connection with the incident. The police are investigating the incident and a case will also be registered soon. Opposition CPIM in Tripura has alleged that the ruling BJP in Naxal party style in Tripura has been threatening opposition voters not to cast their vote. CPIM State Secretary and spokesperson Gautam Das, in presence of incumbent Member of Parliament Sankar Prasad Datta, who also is the left front candidate from the Tripura West Parliament constituency, alleged this to reporters in Agartala on Sunday evening after completion of the repolling in 168 polling stations. Das, though, expressed his satisfaction over the repoll, but alleged that BJP supporters, since the repoll was declared, they were threatening to the selective opposition voters, especially the CPIM party cadres, not to come out for voting. Tripura registered 72.32% vote till 5 PM during the repolling in the state. The BJP today hit out at the Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal, alleging the Chief Minister has replaced democracy with a dictatorship after the state administration denied permission to a rally by its President Amit Shah. Shah was scheduled to hold a rally in Jadavpur Monday, by the state administration denied permission for it last night and also withdrew its nod to the landing of Shah's chopper in the constituency. BJP leader and Union Minister Prakash Javadekar told reporters in New Delhi. He urged the Election Commission to take cognizance of the development, saying the state government wants to reduce the poll panel to a mute spectator. An elusive timber smuggler who operated with his gang with impunity in the forest of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra and evaded police and the forest department for nearly 2 decades has been finally arrested in Telangana. Yedla Srinivas, alias Srinu, who earned nickname Telangana's Virappan, was arrested after police in Pedappalli district, Ramagundam, laid a trap, the first major crackdown on a timber smuggler after the Telangana government took a serious view of rampant tree felling in the state. Officials said that for the past 20 years, Srinu felled trees in reserve forest and was active in teak wood smuggling, devastating vast forest tracts in Manchuril, Manthani and Chennur areas in Telangana. He also targeted forest in Andhra, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. The Supreme Court today agreed to hear on May 17th the centre's plea challenging the Delhi High Court's verdict which quashed cadre allocation of IAS and IPS officers of the 2018 batch. The matter was mentioned for urgent listing before a bench comprising Justices Indira Banerjee and Sanjeev Khanna. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the bench that the High Court has asked the government to redo the entire exercise. Mr. Mehta told the court that those selected under the cadre in 2018 batch have undergone training and were supposed to start joining their respective cadres from May 10. The Delhi High Court had recently quashed the Sanders cadre allocations of IAS and IPS officers of 2018 batch under the new policy and ordered fresh cadre allocation. Police are investigating a shooting near one of President Donald Trump's resorts in Florida that left 1 person dead and 2 others injured. Miami-Dade police spokesman Alvaro Zabaleta said that a call came in at 1:41 p.m. on Sunday stating that shots were fired at the Trump International Beach Resort, Miami, in Sunny Isles Beach. Sunny Isles officers responded to the scene and found several vehicles with bullet holes. A 19-year-old woman was found inside one vehicle with a gunshot wound to the upper extremities. Mr. Zabaleta said she was transported to a hospital and listed in stable condition. A 5-year-old boy was also gazed by a bullet. He was treated at the scene by the fire rescue. Mumbai Indians defeated Chennai Super Kings in a thrilling encounter by 1 run to lift their 4th Indian Premier League IPL trophy. Needing 9 to win of 6 balls, CSK's star performer Shane Watson, 80 of 59, got run out. Thereafter, veteran Lasith Malinga became the saviour for Mumbai Indians as he bowled tight lines to turn the tide in his side's favour. Earlier at one point, CSK were cruising, but MI bowlers took wickets in quick succession to bring their side back in the match. The biggest turning of the match was probably the run-out of CSK skipper MS Dhoni, from where CSK didn't recover completely. Now time for the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Bangladesh worried over arms flow from Northeast. 63.3% voter turnout recorded in Phase 6. Polling was held in 14 seats in UP, 10 in Haryana, 8 each in West Bengal, Bihar and MP, 7 in Delhi and 4 in Jharkhand. All districts affected by fall army worm. The People's Chronicle. 63.48% voter turnout in Phase 6. BJP worker killed. NH37 bridge work ceased. All bridges left unattended. NEIDP reminds Chief Minister Viren of his political roots. IMC PWD joint team to scan cracky buildings in city. Imphal Free Press. Unknown insect detected amidst fall army worm outbreak. Imphal Free Press scribe Jimmy Livon resigns from AMZU Standing Committee. At 46, Irom Sarmila becomes a mother to twin girls in Benga. NEIDP will create a regional force to get political rights. Manipur Mail. Representatives from 20 countries witness elections. 6-phase poll held.
Now the top stories once again. Masked man leaves explosive package inside residence at Moreh. Maroi Nakupi cultivator easily earns nearly rupees 1 lakh every month. And Moppet Dam body threatens Band. This is all we have for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.